Ang sinasabi ko, after 2 weeks pa lang, and considering na meron pa kayong 46 days and 53 days for diesel and gasoline respectively, kumulekta na ng 3 billion, kumita na ng 3 billion pesos per day, which was bankrolled by the people themselves. This is the irony. Ngayon, ano yung role ninyo in the period of emergency and national interest is involved already? Ba't ang pinag-uusapan pa natin replacement cost na kagad? Ito muna ang sagutin ninyo. Is it reasonable? Is this reasonable? In 2 weeks' time?
Mr. Chair, again, it's a matter of perspective. When the law says that we may direct the operation, we have to be mindful of again, on price, we have to be mindful of allowing the oil company to be able to replace it on a weekly basis.
Okay. Isara natin ang argumento. Did you check the oil companies? Kinuha nyo yung document? Kanino nila binili? Makikita nyo ba kung magkano binili? Did you check that? Have you done that?
Not in that
Paano mo sasabihin ngayon? Katungkulan nyo ngayon, if you are screening, if you are monitoring, okay, sabihin na natin replacement cost. Halika kayo mga kaibigan. Pwede nyo bandalin yung inyong mga ICPO. Tingnan natin kung saan nyo binili. Binili natin kay ganito, ito po yung presyo. Ganito. At least chinek natin. Now I am asking you, nag-check, sabi nyo hindi. So ano yung monitoring? This is the frustration, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.
Mr. Chair.
Senator, Mr. Balbuena, you want to interject?
Ba't ka aalis mo? Frustrated ka? Wala kang sagot na nakuha. Ha? Bakit ayaw? Kanina pang ilang oras na tayo dito, wala pa rin
Mr.
sagot.
Chair.